I get tired of the same boring straight bob wig. So let's pump this bob wig up with some nice barrel curls. So I'm just going to place the hair in and we're going to put it in firmly. We're going to roll, roll, and roll. You're going to use your curling iron, hold the clip tightly, and use your fingers to help with just holding the hair firmly in place. Open, close, open, close. Keep doing that. And for the release, you're going to just place your hands, pull it all the way up, let it fall, and you catch those curls right in the palm of your hands and let it stay for a little bit, and voila! So we're repeating the process and we're going to do the same thing. You hold it for as long as, because you want to keep the heat very hot, and then you release it right into your palms again and just hold it for a little bit. You can set the curls and you keep going until the entire head is complete.